Ever wish you could create high-quality YouTube videos without spending hours editing, scripting, or even recording your voice? Well, I just found something that's honestly blowing my mind. It's called InVideo AI. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I used it to create a complete video, script, visuals, subtitles, and even voiceover in under 60 seconds. Let's dive in. First things first, what is InVideo AI? It's a free AI tool that turns any idea into a full-length video. You just give it a title or a concept, like Top 5 Richest Pets in the World or How to Lose Weight Without Exercise. And it automatically writes the script, finds stock videos, adds subtitles, voiceover, music, the whole thing. No editing software, no video clips, no mic, and it's all done inside your browser. Let's go ahead and do a live demo. Step 1, visit ai.invideo.io. No login needed, just open it and you'll see a box asking, what is your video about? Let's type, Top 5 Weirdest Animals in the World. Step 2, choose your tone. It offers options like informative, funny, dramatic, and more. I'll choose funny for this one. Step 3, hit generate video. Now the magic happens. Behind the scenes, InVideo is writing the script, matching stock footage, syncing subtitles, generating AI voiceover, and even adding background music. Done. That took, what, 30 seconds? Now let's preview it. It's got professional-grade stock video footage, subtitles auto-timed, a clear AI voiceover, background music, and transitions. Honestly, it looks like something you'd pay a freelancer $100+ for on Fiverr. Want to change something? Super easy. Click on any section to edit the script. You can choose different AI voices. Male, female, British, American accent, etc. Change visuals. Just type a new keyword like lion or robot and it finds new footage. You can also upload your own clips, add your own logo or watermark, export in different formats like vertical for shorts or horizontal for YouTube. Perfect for YouTubers, marketers, educators, or social media managers. This tool is a game changer if you want to grow a faceless YouTube channel. You can generate 3-5 videos a day in minutes, test different video topics and formats, create shorts, reels, TikToks, instantly. And the best part? It's free for now while it's in beta. So if you've been delaying your content creation because of time, budget, or editing skills, now you have zero excuses. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe because I'm sharing more tools like this every week. Check the link in the description to try InVideo AI for free. And hey, drop a comment below with your video idea and I'll generate it live in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.